That title effectively captures the key points of interest: the significant rise of BlockDAG, the performance of Litecoin, and the uncertain situation surrounding Avalanche. Here's a slight variation to enhance engagement. BlockDAG surges 1,680% during 2024 crypto dip, Litecoin gains ground. Avalanche's future in jeopardy. This version emphasizes the surge of BlockDAG and hints at the precarious position of Avalanche, which might draw more curiosity. This title is clear and informative, highlighting the main points effectively. Here's a refined version to add a bit more intrigue. Explore 2024's top crypto movers. BlockDAG's jaw-dropping 1,680% surge, Litecoin's rally, and Avalanche's uncertain road ahead. This version aims to grab attention by emphasizing the dramatic rise of BlockDAG and the uncertain path of Avalanche. This title is concise and directly conveys the key message. Here's an alternative that adds a bit more urgency. Litecoin LTC targets a major upswing as big players enter the market. This version emphasizes the potential for significant movement due to the involvement of major players. This version emphasizes the surge of BlockDAG and hints at the precarious position of Avalanche, which might draw more curiosity.